Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account on Facebook. I will just tab on my Instagram account and we will move in the right bottom corner option menu. Then we will just tab on this gear icon which is top right. And from here you will see the Meta account center. So basically I will be just get in. So what we're gonna do, we will be just tab on this accounts. I will just tab on it easily. So from here, if you just connected your Instagram with the Facebook, so you will be see in below my Facebook profile, and you will be just tap on it if you just have to connect it, and there is the option to remove it. So simply just select your Instagram profile and just tap on it continue, and it will be just removed. So in this way you will just have to delete Instagram account on Facebook. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.